for loop. We need to print the series from 1 through 5. How to print this series using for loop? We are taking a loop control variable, that is I. As we know that the first value of series is 1, we are setting the value of I as 1. That is called as initialization. Now we have to check for the condition. The final value of the series is 5. So we have to check whether I is less than or is equal to 5. The first value of I is equal to 1. After setting the value of I as 1, we have to increment the value of I by 1. So we have I plus plus. It represents the incrementation of I by 1. So I becomes 2. Again I will be incremented by 1. I becomes 3. Again I will be incremented by 1. I becomes 4. Again I will be incremented by 1. I becomes 5. So if we increment the value of I by 1, I becomes 6. We now need to print value 6. So we can stop here. So if you want to print the series as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in descending order, what changes you have to make? So instead of writing I plus plus, you have here I minus minus. The first value of I is 5. So setting the first value of I as 5 is called as initialization. So what is the condition? The last value of I is 1. So we have to check whether I is greater than or is equal to 1. The first value of I is 5. Now you have to decrement the value of I by 1. I becomes 4. Again decrement the value of I by 1. I becomes 3. Again we have to decrement the value of I by 1. I becomes 2. Again decrement the value of I by 1. I becomes 1. If you decrement the value of I by 1 again, you will get I as 0. We now need to print value 0. So we can stop here. We can convert this concept into programming. We have 3 stages. Initialization, that takes place only once. Then condition. If the condition is true, the statement inside for will be executed. After that, you have to either increment or decrement the value of I. Again you have to check the condition. This process will be repeated until your condition becomes false. We can take an example. For I is equal to 0, I less than or is equal to 5, I plus plus. Then you can write all the statements inside the flower brackets. Initialization is I is equal to 0. Condition is I less than or is equal to 5. I plus plus is incrementation. We can trace this code of for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Inside for loop, I have written Cout, printing the value of I, then end L. Here we have I less than 4, true or false, Cout I, and I plus plus. We are making 5 columns. Initial value of I is 0. 0 is less than 4. That is true. So we are printing value of I, that is 0. Then I will be incremented by 1. I becomes 1. I became 1 now. 1 is less than 4. The condition is true. Cout I, the value of I is 1. 1 is printed in the next line because we have written end L. End L represents end of the line so that each value will be printed in the next line. So I is incremented to 2. 2 is less than 4. Condition is true. Cout I, the value of I is 2. 2 will be printed. Then value of I will be incremented to 3. 3 is less than 4. The condition is true. Cout I, the value of I is 3. 3 will be printed. Then I will be incremented to 4. 4 is less than 4. The condition is false. We can stop here. So here the values are printed as 0, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.